Hello friends, in this lecture we will see surface drive method in variable contour. So this is uh, 4 axis vertical table, a fourth axis table. So I'm going to machine this part, and for that I have created this toolpath. Let's simulate this machine. This time we have a is a fourth axis because of this x axis. Just play. Okay, so this is the toolpath. So how we can create this? Let's see this all in this lecture. So first I'm adding this machine. Okay, and for constraint, add this constraint or delete this, and part and tool. So I'm going to use this tool. This is tool from the library. 12 is the diameter, and first see your MCS. The tool will come from the Z, and X is my axis is along the part axis. So the fourth axis will be around this X, and that is A axis. First go to this workpiece. My part is this, and sorry, and the blank is this cylinder. Okay, so part and blank is defined. Now create operation, and this is variable contour, and this is the tool workpiece 1, and I'm using finishing operation. So first select this cut area. So I want to cut this inner area. Okay, that is okay. And the surface area, now define the surface drive. This is my surface drive. Okay, and cut direction is this. Okay, and zigzag, I'm using zigzag with lift users, and number of step over I'm using 50, and rest is the same. Okay, now this is cylindrical object, so I'm using projection vector normal to drive. So drive is the surface, and for axis normal to part, this is the part. So normal to this part, to path is generate. And if you want to add multi depth, then only we can use, otherwise no problem, just generate. It will take some time. It is generating, see. See, this window is coming so close. So these non-cutting move are not properly, otherwise the tool is created. So go to this non-cutting move, And here I'm using this cylinder. My center point is this, and radius I'm using 60, and vector is this. See this? Okay, now this is my retract value. Generate it again. Okay, now no problem, no warning. If you want to see the replay, so play. Okay, stop. And from the 3D dynamic, and now I can simulate this toolpath or the machine. Okay, and again okay. Now show this machine and simulate machine. Here I want to show this toolpath only, not material removal. Play. Okay, and A is my fourth axis. So hope you understand this properly.